Hey everyone, welcome back to this NetSuite video tutorial series. In my last video, I explained how to create the email templates that you can select when setting up dunning letters in NetSuite. Check out the link in the description of this video or click on it in the top right now. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out. It helps you understand the basics. Today we're diving deeper into the dunning letters module in NetSuite, focusing on the dunning template section. This section controls the content and structure of the dunning letters you'll send to your customers. So I'll go to Setup, Dunning Templates, New. So there's different elements here to look at. First, I'll give it a name, my first dunning template. I won't address this whole statement section, but I will rather do it in another video. You can decide to attach automatically the copies of the invoices or only the overdue ones. If I look here at the language, this column is where you choose the language for your dunning letter. If you deal with customers from various regions or countries, this is the place to set the language for each template. And if I look here in the template, I can choose the one I created in the video I mentioned at the beginning of this recording, which is my first template. There's also a few default ones that comes with the dunning letters module. If I just click Add, you can see it became the default, the first one I added, but obviously I can change that and make the default the next one that I will add. It's important there is a default because if your customer has a language and the template doesn't support that language, it needs a default one to fall back on. So I can save it now. I'll click on Save. And then it asks me that there must be at least one PDF template to save this record. Okay, so what does that mean? I have to go here in PDF, and then I have something that looks very similar. So before that, we worked on the email template. This is the body of the email that is sent to customers. It contains the message content, such as reminders, payment details, or follow-up information. Email templates are designed to be lightweight and suitable for digital communication. The PDF template, this is the attachment to the email, providing a more formal and detailed document. The PDF typically contains a more structured and printable format, including customer information, invoice details, outstanding balances, payment instructions, and other legal or financial content. I understand sometimes you may want to create a template that doesn't include the PDF, so it might feel a bit redundant, but NetSuite forces you to do it. So I'll select one. While I'll select, please subscribe to this channel to get the next videos on the statement. This is subject. I'll choose a body document that the dunning template is offering to me. Let's take this one. Add, save. Let's hope it works this time. It works amazing. So that's a brief look at the dunning template section in the NetSuite dunning letters module. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest video. In my next video, I'll cover the statements like I mentioned. Be sure to check it out. Any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment. Bye bye.